This is the story of an idea that has revolutionized an entire industry. How many changes start with a simple question? Mechanical engineers have traditionally built frames by welding together steel parts. That has several disadvantages. It involves a huge amount of work, structures are very heavy, alterations are time-consuming, it's difficult to plan ahead, and the whole process takes a long time. In short, steel drives up costs. So how can you build plants quicker and more efficiently without compromising on strength? In 1980, engineers Gerrit Pies and Wolfgang Rixen hit on the right idea. Using aluminum instead of steel and screws instead of welds, the first universal aluminum profile with grooves was produced at Item in Solingen in Germany. Today, the system is state-of-the-art, and Item is a global market leader in building kit systems for industrial applications. The benefits are clear: low weight combined with high strength, corrosion resistance, reduced outlay for design and building, minimized machine park, and lower working costs thanks to simplified production. In other words, the MB building kit system saves money and boosts production capacities. However, the sustained success of the system is not based on the patented idea alone. The Item MB building kit system has grown in parallel with the needs of customers. Today, the same basic principles are used to build machines, automation solutions, racks, stairways, workbenches, transport systems, and much more besides.
The fastest profile connection ever. Thanks to automatic angle bracket and automatic flat bracket sets, Line 8 profiles can now be connected at right angles without any need for machining or preparation. The profile fasteners are fully pre-assembled. What's more, they automatically assume the correct position in the profile groove. Simply position the automatic angle or flat bracket and tighten the screws. Job done. The revolution in fastening technology, exclusively from Item. More protection and safety for personnel and materials. Made from impact-absorbing PE foam, the new protective profiles give profile edges and sides robust protection against impacts. The protective profiles from Item can be fitted quickly and easily to provide secure impact protection. The new Profile KH is perfect for building constructions that are electrically non-conductive, making it ideal for use in EMC laboratories and with measuring equipment. The material used is 70% wood and does not interfere with electrical fields. Profiles KH are easy to saw, drill and assemble. They form stable frames with innovative properties and are fully compatible with the tried and tested Line 8 profile range. The Line 10 aluminium profile range is also expanding. Flat profiles 1050x20E combine a high load carrying capacity with a space-saving design. The central fastening set 10 and stable hinges 10AL are ideal for door designs. The new conduit inside corners prevent kinking and cover over sharp edges in cable conduits with corners. They provide perfect protection for cables and lines.